Okay, today is good morning. Actually, good morning. It is February 23rd. It is Tuesday. I need to write that in my book. Tuesday. And it is vlog 36. Awesome. 4 more to 40. I still got a long way to go on the vlogs, but it's pretty amazing. Kind of crazy talking to yourself. Actually, it's cool that Carrie's here. How you doing, Carrie?
I'm good.
She just fed the birds. It's pretty cool. We'll see. Yeah, she's having a window morning with her coffee and hanging with the kitties. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I need my ukulele. Hold on a second. I wasn't ready this morning. I was ready, but now I'm ready. Oh boy. Yeah, Monday morning, or Tuesday morning. Awesome. Here we go. Gotta start out right. Actually. In-ear monitors. Get them. They're really cool if you're a singer. You can hear your voice. It's pretty rad. It's in tune. Nice. Alright, breathing exercise. Here we go. I kind of messed up, so I'm going to do it again. Oh, that was better. Nice. Got to start the day out right? With a little vibration. There it is. All right, let's look at the weather today. What are we doing? Is it going to be a nice day? It was 70 yesterday in California. Pretty good. Let's see. Bing. Oop. We got to get it over here. And there it is. 64, the high 68. Almost 70. Wow, look at the week. Oh my goodness. It's going to be nice. And look at those little yellow stars right there. The sun. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's going to be a nice week this week. Carrie, it's going to be a nice week.
It's going to be pretty.
It's going to be pretty. So the good spring is here. Wow. Or the good late winter, whatever. What is it right now? Winter?
It's winter.
It's still winter. We always get confused on the seasons. What do you think it's like from?
That's the joy of California.
Yeah, it's like
One season.
Yeah, but that's the weather for today. It's looking like around 4. It'd be crazy. All right, we're good on that. Yeah. Birthday shout outs. Let's do birthday shout outs today. Birthdays. Let's see what's going on. Ba-da-ba-ba. Kurt Jensen. Aaron Freitas. Happy birthday, guys. That's the birthdays for today. Kurt Jensen and Aaron Freitas. Kurt, friend of a friend. Actually, he did our floors. Crazy. And Aaron Freitas, I don't know him. I think might be an ukulele friend. I honestly don't know who he is. So crazy. We have a bunch of Facebook, some that like a friend a long time ago and we forgot, and then you're like, where did I meet this person from? I like meeting new people. It's fun. But let's recount yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday it was like when I woke up, it was like you had the Monday blues. It was crazy. But we vibed it out, which was good. And then let's see, I did my vlog and I did my usual schedule, get ready. And then after I get ready, I do my song. Yesterday I did Sunny Side of the Street. It's a cool oldie but goodie by Louis Armstrong. Awesome singer. And it was good. We're on day 23 now. Ooh, almost a quarter way there. 100 days. Yes. And then what do I do? Egg burrito for breakfast. That's my other simple breakfast. I think I have like, I don't know, what do you guys have for breakfast? But this is what I usually, if we have tortillas, I'll just have egg and tortilla. I like to make omelets, rice and eggs in the morning with bacon. Actually, we have bacon this morning, so I might do that. Bacon. Actually, we have tortillas, so I'll have bacon burritos or whatever. That'd be kind of cool. I can do bacon, or I can do egg burritos every morning if I wanted to. Lately, I liked oatmeal. I do like cereal still, and Carrie got some good cereal. Yes, she got the good cereal. Thank you, Carrie.
You're welcome, baby.
And then what else? What else do I eat? What else do I eat for breakfast? Leftovers with eggs. Any leftovers with eggs, as long as it's a meat or a steak or something like that, is really good for breakfast.
Fried chicken with eggs.
Fried chicken with eggs. Yeah, we could do that.
And waffles.
Actually, we could do waffles, eggs and waffles, or chicken and waffles. We could totally do chicken and waffles right now. We have it all. That's so funny. Yeah. My famous is, everybody likes when I make my butter fried pancakes. I make these thin pancakes and they're really good.
They're the bomb.
The
Best
secret.
pancakes ever.
The secret is Crispy's pancake mix. Yeah, it's pretty good. I tried to make pancakes in Italy. Oh my god, and we didn't have the right stuff. They turned out okay. Not the same. But yeah, breakfast. Lately, honestly, I've only been eating almost like 2.5 meals a day. It's kind of crazy. But I heard you can survive. I think I've said this before, but you can survive on an egg. What is it? An egg and bread for the whole day. Yeah, you can do that. It's pretty crazy. We don't need a lot of food, I heard. We just like to consume a lot. Isn't that true? After breakfast, actually I cleaned house because I knew I had a lot of work, but I usually on Sunday I usually clean. I don't know about you. I'm not OCD, but like if I'm working, I have a dirty house, I need to clean it up. So that's what I did. I cleaned the house. Usually I just vacuum, make sure everything's like the dust is out. It just needs to be like organized or just clean. I'm not OCD though. It's just sometimes you need to clear out. When you have a clear space, it's easier to think. I think you don't have anything bothering you, and I've heard that. Let's see. Yeah, and yesterday I had to follow up on a bunch of phone calls, and I did like, I don't know, a bunch. And all of them wanted hand pans or ukuleles, and there's so many people right now. It's actually, there's so many people that want hand pans or an instrument. It's just it's just a matter of getting it to them. Or hand pans is no joke because like people are just buying them. We're out of hand pans at DII right now, and yesterday I had like 3 people I talked to, and they all set up. They want to set appointments. And the funny thing is like people are like, yeah, can I buy one? Do you guys have any? And I'm like, actually not right now, but we will have some in a week. It's funny telling people like when you're selling something, but you tell them they can't have it right now. It drives our customers crazy sometimes. It's so funny. They always say this: people want what they can't have. That's so true. Um, and let's see, yeah, and then that took me to the afternoon, just working on that stuff, and then I worked on Tim Tipton's video. I redid it and kind of did it like a rough draft on what they wanted, and actually it turned out really cool. I am so surprised. I'm honestly like yesterday I told you guys about this. I was looking at the footage again and I was just like, oh my gosh, this did everything yesterday. Like just this camera. Look how big it is. This is my hand. It fits in your hand. You can put it in your pocket. So crazy. And it did it at shot in 4K, 60 frames per second. If you guys know anything, that's so gnarly. And I don't know, the footage came out really good. I was really impressed. But yeah, and then I sent it to him, and Tim's like, "Oh my God, the video's amazing." But we're gonna do another interview for Sophia so she can sound more confident. So that's good. That's good. Let's see. What did I learn yesterday on a Monday? What did I learn? What did you learn yesterday, baby?
What did I learn?
Yeah,
What did I learn?
it's my thing. I try to think about what I learned every day. What did I learn? That's a crazy question. I do it every day, and I'm like, what did I learn? So you gotta think about it.
I learned about giants.
Giants. Oh yeah, we did learn about giants. Actually, that ancient civilization is so awesome. We learned a little bit about giants. I already kind of knew all that stuff, but they're just reinforcing
I didn't.
the mounds, the Nephilim, the different names. They're all the same. It's just, and then they have those different races. That's so crazy. So crazy. We have no clue. Basically, I guess in the Americas, we have a bunch of mounds, and there's back in the day before we came, in the Mississippi Delta or along the river, there was a race of people, and they found, I guess there's bones and stuff that they found. They found hundreds. Actually, I have a book that shows maps of all these mounds, and they're all giant mounds. Or like they all found, like everyone they dug up, they're people that are 7 feet or more. So they're saying like there used to be a race of giants that used to live in the Americas, and actually they have accounts of this, like Christopher Columbus days. They have accounts of people like red hair, tall, stuff like that. They just don't know where they went. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. And like they said that there's bones in the Smithsonian, or they had the bones, but now the Smithsonian lost them. Convenient. Actually, no, it was because they're saying the American natives are saying they're American Native people, so they're reappropriating them back to the Native Americans to bury them again. So the Smithsonian, like they're putting them back into the mounds, but they haven't studied it, and they haven't. I don't know. It's a trip. I don't know why they haven't studied it. I think it's kind of crazy, but what I've heard is that us as a race can't handle it. Like, but yeah, like I think back in the days, the ancient, like the explorers or the people that found this stuff couldn't explain it, and like it went against everything that they knew at that time, so they discounted it as anomalies or something like that. But there was hundreds and hundreds, there's like hundreds of mounds and hundreds of bones that have been found that there were giants here. That's pretty crazy. Like I said, yes, the other day, what would you do if you found out, or when we find out the truth of who we really are? That's kind of crazy, and that's part of it. It's so gnarly. Yeah, they're finding out more. Pretty crazy. And it doesn't sound too far-fetched, because if you think about it, in all our stories, even in the Bible, the truth of all truths, in the Bible, they have giants. So I guess we can't discount it. Like I think they were saying, yeah, that's what I learned yesterday. Every religion or every culture has stories about giants. Think about that. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, that's what I learned. That's something I learned. I've been learning. It's pretty gnarly. But yeah. What is that? Yeah, that's what I learned. But today, what do we got today, babies?
Woo! I got a phone call at 11.
Carrie's got a call. She's busy.
Work on GII Scientific.
Yeah, I'm gonna be video editing today. I gotta finish the rest of the videos, and there's 8 of them. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It should be pretty quick. I should do it. It's just rendering. It takes time to render. If you have 8 videos, I think each one will take at least 10 minutes at least to render. So that's 80 minutes. So that's an hour and something. But usually, and then that's times 2. I'm trying to think of how much time that's times 2, because you have to render twice. 10 minutes each, 80. So that's 160. That's 3 hours, and then that doesn't count for editing time. So yeah, it's all day. Just render time is 3 hours. Wow, that's editing for you. Woo! I didn't even think of that. Wowzers. Yeah. And you wonder why we want fast computers. Time, man, it's an issue. But what else are we doing today? Yeah, I'm just editing today. Tim wants me to come do the interview, but I might have to push it to Thursday, because I have Hadley today for uke lessons. I have my personal Hadley. I guess she hasn't been on for the last couple of days. She's a skater and she hurt herself. Poor babies. I know how that is. Sometimes you just get wrecked skateboarding. And then what else do we got today? I think that's it. We're just busy all week doing stuff. I know we have some follow-ups. Oh, I think I do have some follow-ups on DII today that to go through. And then, yeah, same as always, right? What are we doing? What are we doing today? Same as
Take over the world.
trying to take over the world, just like everybody. So yeah, that's my vlog today. It's February 23rd, 2021, vlog 36. It's a beautiful day here in California.
It's so pretty.
I'm still chugging along. I don't know what song I'm gonna do today for vlog, so I might just pull it out of the hat. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna pull a song and just go, yep, this is the one I'm doing. That sounds like fun. But yeah, vlog 36, down in history. And that's all I have for you today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. See you tomorrow.